everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and happy December 1st. I have been totally distracted inside, kind of organizing, literally going through closets and cupboards. I went down a whole rabbit hole. I haven't gotten any of my garden tasks done that are on my to-do list, but I wanted to come outside and get at least one window box done. And I'm telling you about my rabbit hole because the entire thing started because I was looking for floral foam. And I can't even tell you that it led to 2 days of complete and utter closet reorganization. But we decided that for putting in branches, instead of like what we usually do, filling this with soil and then putting the branches in, we would go ahead and use floral foam. And this is wet floral foam. So we can get it wet and it'll actually stay a lot wetter. And in theory, it'll keep the branches looking fresh a lot longer, since today is the first day of December and I want this to look good for, at least another month. So we got enough to do this window box and the window box out front. And one of the other motivations for using the floral foam instead of filling it with soil is just the mess factor. So let me turn the camera around and show you what happens with these window boxes when they're filled with dry soil. All right, so first of all, let me show you the window box. It's a really great design. David, my husband, built this. It's made of cedar, so it doesn't need to be painted or stained. And he used all galvanized screws to hold it together. And then it's a really super easy way to take it on and off. Like just a couple of pieces of wood, and then this just fits right on. So it's super user friendly. The main thing with it for drainage, because in the summer, we fill this with succulents, you see it's got a big area for water to come out of. And basically when you have dry soil, it comes out of that same hole and it basically makes a mess on the deck. So for this winter, when I'm not planning on having any living plants with roots in the window boxes, I think that the wet floral foam is actually going to be more efficient and a lot cleaner. And that's why we're using it this year. Okay, so we put 3 blocks in, and it doesn't have to be that the entire thing is full. That's going to be more than enough area for us to stick in. And then right now we've just cut some Leyland. This is Golden Rider Leyland Cypress, and I always cut this in mass at the holidays. That's actually how I keep the bushes the size I want them to be. So now we have to think about our orientation. I think instead of upright, we're actually gonna do this kind of like sideways. So the nice thing with the foam is you can just pull it out and reorient. So I think what we want to do is the Leyland as kind of like coming out of the sides. Yeah, exactly. And then we'll get some ABs and some dried hydrangeas, the flowers. Okay. And we can always add more stuff to it. It's really cold today, so we're not super motivated to be out here, but I wanted to have a video for December 1st. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together. Well, I think for a really quick project.
I think so. It looks good.
It looks really nice.
Yeah.
So we used the Golden Rider Leyland, Abies Nordmanniana, the Woe Nelly Ilex, the holly, and the Pittosporum heterophyllum variegatum. And then dried hydrangea paniculata flowers. We can always, as we gather more,
we can always keep adding more.
Add more stuff. Yeah. We could collect some branches. We often will do the corylus, the Harry Lauder's walking stick, and we can spray paint those, yep, and then add ornaments to really give it a little extra oomph. But I think for December 1st, this is good. Thanks for your help.
Oh yeah, of course.
All right, so tomorrow we'll do the outside, the bedroom one out front.
Yep.
But hope everybody will be inspired by this really simple project. And, you know, this is the first time we've ever used the floral foam. So we'll keep you updated on how everything does for the course of the holiday season.
Should last.
I think it will, and
Yeah.
it'll be easy enough to water.
I will.
You know, so, and it won't be making a mess.
No.
And that's really the most important thing. All right, well, hope you guys will be inspired to fill some of your own window boxes for the holiday season. And thanks so much for watching.